Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hey guys, so today we have a beautiful GLC 63S with us, and I just wanted to show you some features that I think would be useful for you guys to know. So here we have 3 buttons on the key. This one is to open the car, this one is to lock it, and this one is to open the trunk. As well as we have keyless entry, where you just hold the keys close to the door and it's going to automatically open. So here I wanted to show you some of the controllers that we have inside of the vehicle. Here we have all the media controls, here we have all the AC controls, and here we have the screen. So for you guys to turn the car on, just simply press on the brake and tap the engine start button over here. So here we have our media controls and the screen controls. This is how you control the screen, up, down, or you can just scroll it. Here we have a back button. Here we have media volume control. You just go up and down and it will control your volume. This button, if you want to turn the exhaust on but you don't want to put the car on sport, just press this button and it will turn on. Here is how you turn off the automatic shut off engine whenever you're on the light, and it's gonna turn on just to save some fuel. On the left we have a driving modes. Tap it once, you will go in comfort. Tap down sport, tap one more time down sport plus. All the modes are going to be displayed on your dashboard whenever you're switching them. So then whenever you switch the driving mode, Sport, Sport Plus, this is how it's going to show up on the dashboard. Let's say now you switch it to individual. You can set your own mode. Press it down, you're back on comfort. Press it down, Sport, Sport Plus, and race. So here we have navigation button. This is how it's going to change. Radio, media, so you can connect it through Bluetooth or USB, your telephone, and the car information. So here we as well have all the radio media controllers. As well, you can control here by pressing media. The screen is going to go into media mode, radio, or navigation. Or as well as here we have information about the car or telephone. And here we have all the temperature controls. Your temperature, where the air is going, the air controller where you can just pick and choose on how strong you want the air to be coming out, and as well as menu button. And here we have sync it, the AC, the temperatures. And here I wanted to show you guys some steering wheel controls. On the right we have media volume control, as well as if you're having an incoming call you can answer, hang up, or let's say use the Siri by pressing this button. On the left side we have the dashboard controls. You can press home for home button, up and down just to scroll whichever option you want to pick, and OK is to press and choose. And here we have a shift mode. So let's say when the car is turned on and you want to go into the drive position, press apply the brake and tap the shift button down, all the way down once, and it's going to display on your screen that you are in drive. Now for you to go into the reverse, apply the brake and lift the paddle shift all the way up and you're going to be into the reverse. For you guys to put it back in park, just tap this button once. So here we have the seating adjustment over here. Just tap it front left, and same way with your back or this position. Just you can all move it around and control where your seat goes. Here we have a window openers, just push it down, lift it back up. And here we have mirror adjustments where you press on the left and you control it with this circle over here. Same thing on the right. And here we have our light controls. Now we're in auto. This is to only have your inside lights and just a little bit of outside. And here's how you turn on the full on lighting mode. Back on auto. Here we have our fog lights. Press it once and your fog lights is going to be on. Press it again and you will shut it off. And here we have our trunk opening button. It's over here on the left. You pull it once and the trunk is going to open.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!